Hi, my name is Michelle, and I know that a lot of people out there are struggling to treat bruxism, and you just kind of don't know what to do, and there's a lot of free information on the internet, and so it can be really confusing to try and find out what facts are actually real. And that's the problem with free stuff on the internet is, it's like trying to make a jigsaw puzzle when you don't have all the pieces, because you're sitting there like finding these pieces of information from various sources and these different tips and tricks, and who knows if any of them even work. The best solution really is to get a paid product which goes out of its way to explain it for you. And yes, it costs money, but you know what you're getting with it. And actually, let me take it back. The best way to get the most value is to buy a paid product that has a money-back guarantee. So if for any reason the method that you tried doesn't work for you, you get your money back, so it's free anyway. Seriously, it's so worthwhile because then you get a full, completely understood package. And it's really, really great, you know? Especially, there's one website, bruxismtreatmentx.com. This website's really great because it actually gives you options. It like goes and reviews the different products based on what other people have said online. So from like forums and chat rooms and Facebook and whatever, they like pull this stuff that people have actually said and they post it about the product. And then it's like multiple different products. So you can seriously find something that's going to work for you, and all of them have like 60-day money-back guarantees, I think it is. So you can find something for you. Anyway, if you're struggling and you're just kind of running out of options and you're not sure what to do, you should definitely give this a chance. I'll post a link below the video just to make it easy for you, but I definitely recommend that you check it out.